know what this is. I got a new phone. I got the 12. Atlas is helping us open the box. I'm so stinking excited. Hi, I love you. Oh, I love you. Yes. You need attention? Yeah, okay. It's gonna have to wait a minute. I have to open my new phone. He just literally told me that. First things first. Turn on my heated blanket. Okay. So I got the new phone. iPhone 12 Pro Max. The funny thing is though, I was told that when I ordered this, it would be a minimum of 3 weeks before I got it. I ordered this 2 days ago. Two days. I also ordered this, but I ordered this directly from Apple. I ordered this through the AT&T site because that's what I use. Because it's their MagnaSafe case. So let's open this first because it's going to be least climactic. How do I freaking open this? It shall be proofed. I'm pretty excited about my phone. Of course, it's the typical, which actually, I don't know why, but I didn't expect this. It's very much their typical Apple packaging. So open it up. Very basic, very simple. Not a whole lot of anything on it. It's got their little pull tab to it. You pull it out. And it's the same type of thing you get with all of your products. This is what it looks like. I got the clear one. You can see. Because I couldn't decide on a color, so I just went with clear. And let me get this thing off here. Oh. Use some common sense and you'll be able to get it off. This is their MagnaSafe case. So iPhone 12s have the specific MagnaSafe line for accessories. The cases, the chargers. They have some extra things that are coming out that aren't released yet. And then you can get like the card holders that go on here. And I wanted to get it because we use those magnets in the case all the time. So ones you just stick in your case or on the back of your phone. But through the case itself, it doesn't always work great. Like I have them in my car, but I can't even use them because unless I take my case off. And nobody wants to take their case on and off every 5 seconds. I already have a crack in my screen of my current phone. So yeah. But this supposedly is a magnet. I don't have anything magnetic to stick it to, or I would show you guys. I'm very well prepared for this video. But I love it. It's clear. It's actually like a really good clear. Like it's not like a weird warpy clear like some things are. This just goes to show how freaking giant this phone is. It's like the whole side of my freaking face. Look at this. This is ridiculous. So big. I've stayed away from, I have the XS right now. And I have stayed away from every single Plus, Pro, Max, whatever the heck versions they have because I thought it was ridiculous. Like at that point, if it's going to be this big, I'm just going to use my computer. Can't say that anymore. Okay. So this, I'm going to be really, really amateur and I only have one camera too and one angle, so I'm not going to get these cool. Anything is more satisfying in life than pulling these things off. And then matte box. It's super matte. Like there's no shiny to this box, and I think I love that a lot. There's a little bit of shiny where it says iPhone and the little apple. But it doesn't even say anywhere on this box. Oh, I guess it does on the very back. It doesn't say what this phone is. But I'm assuming that picture is like actual size. Again, it's freaking ginormous. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at, yeah, I got the white one. I couldn't decide between the white and the blue. Oh my gosh, is the phone itself matte? It's not shiny. The phone itself, well, this is obviously, and that is, but the phone itself is matte. That makes it, I'm gonna be really actually sad if it's a screen protector on it and it's not matte because now I'm super excited that it's matte.
always screen protector.
He just wants to burst my bubble. Just let me live my moment for a minute and then be sad in a minute. So this is the phone. It's just white. It's actually like a white. It's not like a, I was worried it was gonna be like a silvery white or like an off-white, but it's pretty darn white. You're gonna be able to see that. So pretty. Okay, you pull it out like this.
I thought it didn't come with any chargers.
It doesn't come with, I don't know, it did.
You like the edges. That's what
It's
I like
square.
I know, that's what I like about the 12.
That's another thing I was very excited about, that it's square, it's not rounded. Because that's part of why I broke this one, is I dropped it on the carpet and it broke because it's rounded. But, so matte back, except for that, the cameras. And the cameras don't stick out as much as like the, much as I thought they were. But this is obviously all chrome, which I kind of dig. Very shiny. Just in case you wanted to know, this is the power button. This is the volume up, this is volume down. And this is your silencer and your charging cable. It's the same charger that is for the old phones. Ready? This is just so massive. And that's a lot of screen. It's literally like screen edge to edge. Like, it doesn't have a white edge around it, which is kind of what I was...
Imagine how much cleaning you're going to have to do for that phone.
And I didn't get a screen protector for it.
Ooh.
So I'm actually terrified to be holding this right now. Wow, the home button. Look how big that home button is. It's like bigger than my finger. I'm going to turn on. Oh. You guys, I'm so stinking excited. You have no idea. Okay, let's put this down for a second. It does come with the basic. Let's pretend I didn't. It does come with the basic informational stuff. The little thing for the SIM card. Sticker. I feel like we have 5 million stickers because we have so much Apple products. And then a charger. Last thing I wanted to see with you guys is this case on it. Ooh, it's like a, this case is like a soft, hard case. Oh gosh, I'm pushing buttons. Oh no, look. So the magnet, it registers that the case is on because it's the MagnaSafe. So that's what that dinging is. That's so stinking cool. And that's what it looks like with the case on. So pretty basic and simple, which is what I was hoping for. There's cat hair on it already. It's like a pearl white almost. I'm gonna set it up now.
I'm so stinking excited.
That's just a huge screen though. That's like hello? I need a megaphone to get to the actual end of it. I'm gonna mess with that later. I just wanted to show you guys my new phone because I was very excited. Thanks for watching. See you next time.